Hello all, I'm Anshul Nankana. I welcome you all in week 8 presentation. I chose the companies GE Healthcare and Stryker. Before going into further detail, I'd like to give a brief introduction about both the companies. GE Healthcare is an American multinational company based incorporated in New York and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. The company is a manufacturer and distributor of diagnostic imaging agents and radiopharmaceuticals for imaging modalities that are used in medical imaging procedures. The company is incorporated in 1994 and is operating in more than 100 countries today, whereas Stryker is one of the Fortune 500 medical technology company based in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Stryker products includes implants used in joint replacement, trauma surgeries, surgical equipments and surgical navigation systems, and many more. Most of the Stryker products are marketed directly to the doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare facilities. Stryker products are sold in over 100 countries today. Moving further, we have to discuss the current state of patient experience today. There has been a lack of patient experience. The state of patient experience is bad and likely to get worse before it improves. For decades, the US healthcare industry has pursued an economic model focused on fee-for-service, which has in turn inhibited transparency, competition, and innovation. There is always a gap in perception between the providers and consumers on the quality of the experience currently being provided. Providers misjudge the perception of their performance on elements that are most important to the consumers. There is always more than 20% points where a gap, more than 20% of a gap where providers overestimate the quality of their patient experience. On what values both the companies work on? GE Healthcare works on a value discipline of operation excellence, where the leading global medical technology and life sciences company provide a broad portfolio of products, solutions, and services used in diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of patients and in the development and manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals. The company also helps in improving the outcome of the healthcare providers and for therapy innovators around the world. It aims to support the customers in the pursuit of the precision health. It embraces a culture of respect, transparency, integrity, and diversity. Stryker, on the other hand, works on the motto where it says, "Together with our customers, we are driven to make healthcare better." Stryker works on a value discipline of a customer intimacy. At Stryker, the quality comes first. They are driven to make healthcare better for their customers by providing innovative products and services that meet regulatory requirements through their effective quality systems. How these companies are doing their market segmentations. In healthcare, I would definitely like to mention a quote where it says by Dr. Tony, "When it comes to health, your zip code matters more than any other genetic code." I broadly classified the healthcare industry into three segments: product type, application, and target audience. While GE Healthcare classifies their segments into healthcare systems and life sciences, where healthcare further classifies into imaging products, ultrasound, enterprise software solutions, life care solutions, while life sciences focuses on biopharmaceutical and pharmaceutical diagnostics. For Stryker, the market segmentation is mainly on product based: the orthopedic products, medical and surgical products, neurotechnology, and spinal products, where orthopedics and medical and surgical products on most of the revenue. How these companies build the loyalty and relationship. GE has designed their user interaction approach and introduced a new digital ecosystem. It has all the information to help improve the outcomes of their patients, staff, and the enterprise, including access to the clinical, operational, leadership topics and trends. They expanded their access by using MyG Healthcare, a secure portal to provide or to operate more efficiently. Whereas Stryker works on the principle of balanced capital allocation among acquisitions and shareholders. They also offer a patient-specific driven websites and education portals like orthopedics patient website, where patient can access information on orthopedic health and joint replacement, find a surgeon who can help their patients return to the activities of the daily life. How the role of artificial intelligence has played a crucial role in today's healthcare. GE, as a part of new digital ecosystem designed for their customers, works on the basic AI principles. And working on those principles, they provide a large variety of services and solutions to doctors, patients, and the healthcare providers. Similarly, Stryker works in providing, improving, in delivering better and faster and less expensive care. Focusing on these factors, they provide various flex financial solutions, on-site services, performance solutions, pro-care services, reprocessing and manufacturing solutions as well. How these companies digitally transform in today's world. I do like to mention a quote by GE Healthcare VP: finding tools that allow us to evolve quick, transform quicker, and adjust quicker to our markets are key to our future. The main challenge GE has at some point is how to move further to more about their customers, knowing more about their installed base and installed products that they were dealing with. They came up with a solution called ServiceMax it's an integrated system that helped them in knowing more about their customers and adapt as the company evolves. As a result of which, GE Healthcare has improved field service productivity in all the steps of the service delivery process, from call center processing to the work order debrief, due to which they earned a revenue of $10 million over 3 years. While Stryker faced the challenge, even if they were armed with an impressive line of neurological, spine, and navigation and other products, Stryker was losing a brand value and were not able to connect with a vital audience. They connected with an agency called Agency Creative, created a brand strategy that aligned with the expectation that is hard to impress. As a result of which, their integrated approach, unified with the Stryker's product offerings, articulated precision and expertise, and which helped them cement the Stryker brand in the critical market. How these companies are digitally mature. GE comes up with a solution called Edison, which is a GE Healthcare intelligence offering comprised of applications and smart devices built using the Edison platform. This design is to help the consumers to optimize workflow, reduce errors, waste, control costs, allowing to focus on the patient care. Whereas Stryker comes with the different performance solutions. Stryker is also moved ahead with the robotic research with their Mako robotic arm assisted surgery. How these companies are investing in the analytics which helps them in making decisions or organization decisions. GE is using people analytics to drive their talent strategy. They're starting out with the basic fun projects in people analytics and then use of text analysis. They're more focused on the gap analysis instead of dealing with a common problem. They are able to quantify. They are able to quantify the personalized learning recommendations, encouraging people to get more engaged in their career development. Stryker Performance Solutions launches Practices Excellence program to help physician practices drive profitability, efficiency, and quality outcomes. The new consulting services use analytics to drive informed organizational decision making in the field of revenue cycle management, practice redesign, and ongoing data analytics. Here are some references or sources that I have referred to compile this presentation. Thank you.